Imagine watching your favorite movies with a crystal clear picture and booming surround sound, right from the comfort of your home. Sounds like a dream? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how to create your dream home theater without breaking the bank. Welcome to your channel name, your go-to place for tech, design, and lifestyle tips. Why settle for the usual TV setup when you can transform your living space into a cinematic experience? Whether it's for movie nights, gaming marathons, or binge-watching your favorite shows, a home theater is an upgrade you deserve. Let's make it happen. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips to elevate your lifestyle. Step 1. Choose the right space. This could be a spare room, basement, or even your living room. The key is to focus on lighting, sound insulation, and seating arrangement. Pro tip: a darker room works best for that true theater feel. Dark rooms equal better picture quality. Add blackout curtains for extra effect. Now for the fun part, the gear. Here's what you'll need. Display: a 4K projector or a large screen OLED TV for stunning visuals. Sound system: go for a 5.1 or 7.1 surround sound system for that immersive audio. Streaming device: Apple TV, Roku, or a high-performance gaming console. Comfortable seating: recliners, bean bags, or a cozy sectional. Your choice. Next, let's talk design. Add acoustic panels to improve sound, LED strip lighting for ambience, and wall-mounted decor like movie posters or shelves for snacks and remotes. A popcorn machine? Yes, please. DIY acoustic panels save money and look stylish. Worried about the cost? Don't be. You can start small and upgrade over time. Look for deals on refurbished gear or explore budget-friendly brands. Sometimes, the simplest tweaks make the biggest difference. Finally, don't forget the extras. A universal remote or smart home integration can make controlling your setup a breeze. And of course, snacks. Stock up on your favorites to complete the theater vibe. Now it's your turn. Which part of your dream home theater are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content. See you next time. Subscribe now. Join me as I take on the challenge of creating my dream home theater from scratch. Let's see if I can pull it off. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. In this video, you'll learn how to create the ultimate home theater experience, turning your living space into a cinematic paradise. Many people struggle to set up an effective home theater due to budget constraints, space limitations, or lack of technical knowledge. It can be overwhelming to navigate the vast array of options available in the market, from screens to sound systems, and it's easy to get lost in the process. A lot of people try to cut corners by sacrificing quality or settling for a mediocre setup, but this ultimately affects the overall viewing experience. Moreover, the lack of technical knowledge can lead to poor installation, which can be a safety hazard. On top of that, space limitations can make it difficult to accommodate all the necessary components, making it hard to achieve that cinematic feel. Lastly, budget constraints can limit our options, making it difficult to prioritize what's essential for a great home theater experience. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. We'll discuss essential components like screens, projectors, sound systems, seating options, and lighting to enhance your viewing experience. A good screen is the foundation of a home theater, and there are many options available, from manual pull-down screens to electric ones. Next, a projector is what brings the image to life, and there are various types, including LED, laser, and LCD. A sound system is responsible for immersing you in the action, with options ranging from simple speakers to elaborate surround sound systems. Comfortable seating is also crucial, as it allows you to relax and focus on the movie. Finally, lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood and ambience of your home theater. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. The key to a successful home theater lies in the right balance of technology and comfort. Let's reveal the top 5 must-have items that will elevate your setup. The first essential item is a high-quality screen that provides a clear and vibrant image. Next, a powerful projector that can handle your screen's resolution is vital. A robust sound system that can produce high-quality audio is also a must-have. Comfortable seating that allows you to relax and focus on the movie is also crucial. Lastly, A well-designed lighting system that sets the mood and ambience of your home theater is essential. By balancing these must-have items, you can create a home theater that will leave you and your guests in awe. By following these tips and recommendations, you can create a home theater that not only looks great, but also provides an immersive experience for you and your guests. With a clear understanding of the essential components and how to balance them, you'll be well on your way to creating a cinematic paradise in the comfort of your own home. Footage of sleek soundbars and surround sound speakers being installed. Excited voice, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Audio is everything. Invest in a surround sound system like Dolby Atmos, or start with a high-quality soundbar for immersive audio that'll blow you away. On-screen text. Pro tip: place speakers around the room for a true surround sound effect. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you found this video helpful, check out my other videos for more home improvement tips. And don't forget to leave a comment about your dream home theater ideas.